Legal weed can still get you in trouble with the law, and I find that the people it happens to are almost always surprised by that. I'm a cannabis attorney, and I spend most of my time helping licensed businesses stay compliant. But I started off my career as a trial attorney in the criminal defense context, so I periodically get brought into cannabis-related cases. And it's in the criminal context that I meet people who thought legalization meant something that it doesn't mean. And here's a common misunderstanding. Legalization doesn't make cannabis legal in the ways tomatoes are legal. It built a regulated lane, and what's inside that lane is legal. Licensed businesses test the product, track sales. Step outside that lane, though, and the old rules are still sitting right there. The question then becomes, what does outside the lane look like? Here are a few examples at a high general level, not legal advice. A common one is selling without a commercial cannabis license. Still a crime in every legal state. It's legal now, quote unquote, has never once worked as a defense to unlicensed sales, I can promise you. Home grow is usually the next issue I come across. When I was doing criminal defense full time, I handled dozens and dozens of these. Basically, at the local level, where it's allowed within limits. How many plants, you can grow, where they can be grown. And if you stay inside those limits, you're fine. But if you go past them, you can catch a case. The next one is cannabis DUIs. Obviously, there are a lot of arguments to be made in these cases, and prosecutions, in my experience, just a focus group of one, in my personal experience, have gone down in number. But just because there are valid defenses to a cannabis DUI doesn't mean you're not going to have to spend time and money defending yourself in court. And to be clear, none of this is me saying legalization doesn't matter, but people tend to misunderstand how far it goes. So if you take one thing from this video, realize that there are limits to the changes that come with legalization, and a lot of those limits can be seen in the way that criminal charges are still filed today.